While e-PlanSoft Review provides built-in status tracking for projects and assignments, reviewers sometimes need to communicate status back to applicants or clients directly on the documents themselves. For just such an occasion, EPR provides a secure, flexible stamp tool right on the review page toolbar. Clicking on the Place a Stamp tool calls up the Select Stamps dialog, which shows every stamp which the reviewer has access to. Though approval stamps are usually the most common type of stamp, the stamp tool is very flexible and can be used for approvals, organization-specific labels, frequently used symbols, and other similar uses. For security, a stamp is only listed in the dialog if the user's account has been granted access to it by someone with stamp library rights. If a necessary stamp is missing, users should contact an administrator to update their account. This helps stamps with sensitive data, such as personal signatures, from being widely available. It also limits the number of stamps which users have to look through in order to access the ones they want. Selecting a stamp and then clicking Confirm puts users in Draw Stamp mode. As noted by the on-screen instructions, users then click where they want to begin drawing the stamp, then move their cursor to define the size. Clicking again will finalize the stamp and also call up the Stamp Options form. Because these stamps are digital, users can just as easily choose to place the stamp on the current page only, place it on all pages, or even define a page range on which to put the selected stamp. The stamp is shown on the EPR review page, with the date and time the stamp was placed displayed below it. If configured to, the stamp may also display the project number. When a stamp is applied to multiple pages, each one can behave independently, meaning users can move them around to suit differences in page size or content. To edit any stamp, a user with edit rights can click on the stamp to call up the Edit form. This form allows the user to move, redraw, or even delete the stamp, again, if they have rights. Similar to stamp placement, clicking the Stamp Delete icon will provide the user with options for deleting this specific stamp only, this stamp across the page, this stamp on all pages, or even this stamp and the stamp across a defined range. Stamps save automatically, so remember that stamps that remain on a page will be included on the deliverable documents returned to an applicant or client.